Follow the steps on how to use the new feature, Change Text to Vector, in Adobe Illustrator 2024. Let's get started by open window and preparing the text to vector panel. Here the options are available, which we will try one by one. Let's start with the subject. Create a rectangle. Write a prompt image that you want here. You can use the style picker to take color references from other images. For example, I will insert an image from a folder. Select Object and click the style picker. Then click on the image. You can also set the results to have more or less detail. Then click Generate and wait for the process. And this is the result. If the results are not good, you can edit the prompt and try again. And now the results are different and look better. Now create another rectangle. And fill in the prompt. I will turn off the style picker. Turn this into a scene. Then generate. And the result is like this. Now let's try with icons. Create a new rectangle and generate it. And this is the result. Now make a rectangle again to create a pattern. Fill in the prompt. Here you can also choose the present color and set a limit on the number of colors. Let's see how it turns out. And this is the result. If you want to edit, open Properties, Fill, Pattern Options, double-click here. For example, I will change the background color. Click Done to close. If the pattern is too small, you can also enlarge it this way. Okay, that's how to use it. I hope there will be a new update in the future from Adobe for better results. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.